Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2026 at 14:21. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, tomorrow's day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern Kansas, southern Nebraska, and southwestern Missouri. So we do have those areas under a slight risk. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, going into central Kansas, southern Nebraska, western Colorado, and western Oklahoma into western Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5 marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. We have Topeka, St. Joseph, Salina, Manhattan, and Junction City under the slight, and Kansas City, Lincoln, Amarillo, Overland Park, and Kansas City under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, and western Missouri. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado threat. We have St. Joseph and Beatrice under the marginal, 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 5% area, 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of northern Kansas, southern Nebraska, and western Missouri. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of western Iowa, northwestern Missouri, southern Nebraska, through central Kansas, into eastern Colorado, western Oklahoma, and western Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. So we have Topeka, St. Joseph, Salina, Manhattan, and Junction City under the 15%, and Kansas City, Lincoln, Amarillo, Overland Park, and Kansas City under the 5%. So we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 15% area, and 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% area. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Texas and southern Nebraska, and we have a normal 15% that encompasses parts of extreme northeastern Kansas and western Missouri. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of southern Iowa, southern Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, through central Kansas, into eastern Colorado, western Oklahoma, and western Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Hayes and Beatrice under the significant severe, St. Joseph, Manhattan, and Beatrice under the 15%, and Kansas City, Lincoln, Amarillo, Overland Park, and Kansas City under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says areas of hail and strong wind gusts are expected Thursday afternoon and evening in parts of the lower to mid-Missouri Valley, westward into Kansas. Locally, very large hail is possible. So anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, it is a marginal risk, you may be in a marginal risk, but you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.